Does the Stazi state want to sniff your baby's diaper? Do they want medical information on you that they're not allowed to have? Is it really necessary to go after somebody's DNA for being at an embassy? I think Stella Morris might have a lawsuit for invasion of privacy from the poop sniffers who want a baby's diaper. You know, what kind of loser is sniffing women's panties and sniffing babies' diapers and having their nose up everybody's ass, honestly?